All right, so let's get started with the main content. First, as like some context, when we talk about AI coding, what do we really mean? Like, what is AI coding? For you to understand, basically just a few things. You have an assistant now that is AI. So what you're doing is basically AI assistant development, right? You don't let AI do everything. You still guide it. So what you do is, you tell AI what to build, and you don't have to write the code yourself, right? So before, you had to remember syntax, you had to study that, you had to really know what you were doing. You sort of have to know what you're doing now, but it's enough to learn to know English and do it with English, with plain English. And this is basically what we are doing here with these AI tools. We guide the AI to build what we want to build. This is also much faster than before, right? So you can now build software in hours, sometimes even less. And you don't need weeks and like large teams for that. So that is really important as well, and really valuable as well. Because like I told you, it's important to bring your stuff out there as soon as possible. Have an MVP, have real customer and user feedback. So this is really perfect for non-technical founders who have lots of ideas and want to turn them into a reality. It's now really, really fast. And then once we have this MVP style products, we iterate on them. This is also with like through prompting. So this is the main skill here. And the success now really depends on your prompting skills, basically. And I, have this prompt library for you, the prompt collection there, that hopefully will help you with that. At least it has helped me a lot. And yeah, you don't have to remember any syntax now. So not really about remembering specific coding syntax. It's more about giving the AI and guiding it with clear instructions. And this is done through plain English. All right, so this is AI coding, or some might say vibe coding as well. Basically comes down to AI assistant development. It's faster now, and it is through iteration and prompting.